find a different park.
The pirate one.
That wants to find one with the pie. I'll find one, babe.
The one that mommy went to. The one we looked on was closed. It had a pirate boat.
I'll find one. We can go back to that amusement park we went to.
What amusement? No.
No?
What was it called? Old Town?
Fun Spot.
Fun Spot?
Well, Old Town, yeah. Old Town is next to Fun Spot.
What's Fun Spot?
Fun Spot is where all the rides were.
Oh, yeah.
And Old Town is where all the shops were.
Peanut butter booty time. What a booty time. Sing me for, sing for me. Yeah, sing for me. River, look, River, you want to see a cool trick? River, look. Look, you want to see a cool boat trick?
I'm watching it.
Look.
See it?
Do you see it?
Yep.
Look what I'm about to do.
Being chased by something?
No.
Oh, that's the big ship?
Look, you ready?
Ready?
Boom!
Stop.
You saw that?
Yes, I did.
Get a lot of speed. How fast? 281. Boom! Sing with us. Sing. Sing with us.